Today we're diving into the world of insurance vocabulary terms, a topic that might not sound thrilling at first, but trust me, it's crucial for your financial well-being. Understanding these terms can be the difference between feeling lost in a sea of jargon or confidently navigating the world of insurance. So, why should you care about insurance terms? Well, think of it this way. Insurance is like a safety net that protects you from unexpected financial burdens. Whether it's health insurance, car insurance, or renter's insurance, having a solid grasp of the terminology can help you make informed decisions and ensure you're adequately covered in case of emergencies. Now, I know insurance terms can seem overwhelming, but fear not. We're here to break it down in a way that's easy to understand and relatable to your everyday life. From deductibles to premiums, copays to coverage limits, these terms directly impact your finances and peace of mind. Welcome back to Financial Fitness, where we help young adults improve their personal finances, one rep at a time. Let's begin with our first subject, copays. Understanding copay. Let's talk about copay, a term you've probably heard before but might not fully grasp. In simple terms, a copay is a fixed amount that you, as the insured, are required to pay for covered services. It's like a small fee you contribute each time you access healthcare services, such as doctor visits, prescriptions, or specialist appointments. Co-payments can vary depending on the type of service and your insurance plan. For instance, a visit to your primary care physician might have a different copay amount than a visit to a specialist. Similarly, the copay for generic medications could be lower than that for brand-name drugs. To put it into perspective, let's consider some common copay amounts you might encounter. For a routine doctor's visit, your copay could range from $20 to $50, while a specialist visit might require a higher copay, typically around $50 to $100. When it comes to prescriptions, you might have a copay of $10 for generic drugs and $30 for brand-name medications. Understanding copayments is essential because they directly impact your out-of-pocket expenses and budgeting for healthcare costs. By knowing how copays work, you can better plan for medical expenses and make informed decisions about your healthcare needs. Decoding premium. Let's unravel the mystery behind the term premium in the realm of insurance. Simply put, a premium is the amount you pay to the insurance company in exchange for coverage. It's like the price tag for safeguarding yourself against potential risks and uncertainties. Now, what factors influence the cost of your premium? Well, several variables come into play, including your age, location, the level of coverage you choose, and even your lifestyle habits. Younger individuals may typically pay lower premiums compared to older adults, as they are perceived to be at lower risk for certain health conditions or accidents. Additionally, where you live can impact your premium, with urban areas often having higher rates due to increased risks. Here's where it gets interesting. Opting for a higher premium can actually result in lower out-of-pocket expenses in the long run. By paying a slightly higher premium upfront, you may be able to secure more comprehensive coverage and lower deductibles, ultimately saving you money when you need to file a claim. Understanding how premiums work is key to making informed decisions about your insurance coverage and ensuring you're adequately protected without breaking the bank. So next time you review your policy, keep the concept of premiums in mind to make the best choices for your financial well-being. Demystifying deductible. Let's shed some light on the often misunderstood term deductible in insurance policies. In simple terms, a deductible is the amount that you, as the policyholder, are responsible for paying out of pocket before your insurance coverage kicks in. It's like your initial financial responsibility before the insurance company starts to cover the remaining costs. The size of your deductible can have a significant impact on both your premium costs and out-of-pocket expenses. Typically, policies with higher deductibles tend to have lower premiums, while those with lower deductibles often come with higher premium costs. This is because a higher deductible means you're willing to take on more financial risk upfront, which can result in lower monthly payments. To illustrate how deductibles work, let's consider a scenario. In the case of a car accident, if you have a $500 deductible and the total repair costs amount to $2,000, you would need to pay the $500 deductible before your insurance covers the remaining $1,500. Similarly, in healthcare, if you have a $1,000 deductible for a medical procedure that costs $5,000, you would be responsible for paying the deductible before your insurance steps in to cover the rest. Understanding deductibles is crucial for managing your insurance costs and knowing what to expect when filing a claim. By grasping this concept, you can make informed decisions about your coverage and financial responsibilities. Navigating claims. Filing an insurance claim can feel like a daunting task, but with the right guidance, you can navigate the process smoothly and effectively. Let's walk through the steps involved in filing and managing insurance claims to help you make the most of your coverage. First and foremost, when filing a claim, it's essential to gather all necessary documentation, such as receipts, invoices, police reports if applicable, and any other relevant paperwork. Providing thorough documentation can expedite the claims process and ensure that you receive the compensation you're entitled to. Common reasons for claim denials often stem from incomplete or inaccurate information, lack of documentation, or claims that fall outside the scope of your policy coverage. To avoid claim denials, double-check your policy details, provide accurate information, and promptly report any incidents to your insurance provider. To maximize your claim benefits and ensure a smooth process, consider these tips. Communicate openly with your insurance company, keep detailed records of all interactions, follow up on the status of your claim regularly, and seek clarification on any aspects of the process that may be unclear. By understanding the ins and outs of filing insurance claims and following these guidelines, you can navigate the process with confidence and secure the coverage you need during unexpected events. Setting limits. When it comes to insurance, setting limits is a crucial aspect that can significantly impact your coverage and financial protection. Let's delve into what insurance limits entail and why understanding them is essential for safeguarding your assets and well-being. Insurance limits refer to the maximum amount that your policy will pay out for a covered loss. These limits serve as a financial safety net, ensuring that you have a cap on the amount of compensation you can receive in the event of a claim. It's important to be aware of these limits to avoid being underinsured and facing potential financial hardships when unexpected events occur. For instance, in the case of property damage, if your home insurance policy has a coverage limit of $200,000 for dwelling protection and a fire causes $250,000 in damages, you would be responsible for covering the $50,000 difference beyond your policy limit. Similarly, in healthcare, if your health insurance policy has a limit of $10,000 for medical expenses and you incur $15,000 in hospital bills, you would need to pay the excess amount beyond your policy limit. Understanding insurance limits empowers you to make informed decisions about your coverage levels and ensure that you have adequate protection in place to mitigate financial risks. By setting appropriate limits tailored to your needs, you can enhance your financial security and peace of mind in the face of unforeseen circumstances. Conclusion. As we wrap up our exploration of insurance essentials, let's recap the key points we've covered on copay, premium, deductible, claims, and limits. Understanding these fundamental concepts is crucial for making informed decisions about your insurance coverage and financial well-being. Copay, remember, it's the fixed amount you pay for covered services before insurance kicks in, impacting your out-of-pocket expenses. Premium, this is the amount you pay for coverage, influenced by factors like age, location, and coverage level, with higher premiums potentially leading to lower out-of-pocket costs. Deductible, your initial out-of-pocket expense before insurance coverage begins, affecting your premium costs and financial responsibilities. Claims, navigating the claims process involves providing thorough documentation, avoiding common denial reasons, and maximizing benefits for a smooth experience. Limits, these caps on coverage amounts are crucial to prevent underinsurance and ensure adequate financial protection in case of losses. We encourage you to delve deeper into insurance-related topics on our channel to enhance your knowledge and make informed choices. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos that empower you to navigate the world of insurance with confidence. Thank you for joining us on this educational journey.